Are your kids protected against sexual predators, pornography, and cyberbullies? Is your business secure from hackers, internal threats, or sexual harassment? FlexiSPY answers these and many more questions with our powerful monitoring software. So, what is FlexiSPY? FlexiSPY is easy-to-use monitoring software that installs in minutes and gives you complete control and insight into how a computer, tablet, or smartphone is being used. Think of us as a detective in your pocket, granting you an all-access pass into the world behind the screen. But why FlexiSPY? FlexiSPY invented the commercial spy phone in 2004 and have been satisfying customers ever since. We design, develop, and support all our own products in-house, offer a no-hassle installation service, and have over 150 features, more than any competitor. With FlexiSPY, you can monitor text messages with our SMS tracker, spy on emails and popular chat applications like WhatsApp and Facebook, track GPS locations, capture keystrokes with our keylogger, listen to and record live phone calls, and so much more. We also give you access to the industry's best customer support and our money-back guarantee. In fact, we are so confident that you will love FlexiSPY. We even have a competitor trade-in program where we accept your current mobile monitoring product against a copy of FlexiSPY. Customers tell us FlexiSPY is like being a fly on the wall because we give you answers and information no one else can. So why not let FlexiSPY be your eyes and ears and start getting serious about protecting your family and business today? Because in the end, you have a right to know. FlexiSPY. Know everything, no matter where you are.